Initial.
Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of Cooking with Unity. I'm your host, Max Moreau. With me is Philip Wilson. Jeffrey is on his way. He should be here during the middle of this show.
I'm going to do the monkey.
He's doing the monkey.
Come on, do the monkey with me. Hoo-ha-ha!
All right.
Dang, I'm pretty.
So, that was a really good show.
Johnny
Main
Bravo.
screen, yeah, it was. It was a good show.
Hey, look, it's like it's here on my computer, but it's also there on your computer.
Yeah, it's crazy. He's all like synced up. He got all GitHubbed out, and yeah, it's all there. So we have this game. We tested it. It has a full loop. It has instructions. We're starting to actually look like a full project here. We've got cool stuff like this power up thing. So what we're gonna do on this episode is my goal is I want to add 2 more classes of bugs.
Oh, why'd you put 4-3 screen on?
Well, I don't know. I'll put it back to 65.
Yeah.
We were testing, man. So what are we doing? So we're going to add 2 more classes of bugs. Now, we kind of hinted at a class of bug that we don't have in the game yet in our instructions here, and that is infinite lives are enabled on this build. If you find a bug in an object that you ended up destroying or collecting before you tag it, just find a way to reset the level. Reset level. I should fix that. So I didn't catch that the last time we read this, but I caught it this time. Not credits, instructions, reset the level.
Do my eye. I'm gonna see if I can't get one of these things to run away. One of these enemies.
Oh, okay. Oh, you mean like as a bug?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I like that. So is that what you're going to work on?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, so I'm going to work on the bug power-up then.
I'll let you know if I fail.
All right, cool.
It's been a little while. I'm a little rusty, though, however, I see code all the time because of this show, so pretty sure I can figure it out.
All right, so I'm actually going to do one more thing. On test 2, we start a little too high on the spawn point, so I'm just going to move that spawn point down to 1.5, I think is what we're using on test 1. Yeah, that looks right. And I'm going to actually finally fix test 2. We have our quad doesn't have the right texture map on it, so I want to put a different material on the ground. That's the one we want. And we're going to just put, what is it called? Pavers on the quad. There we go. Cool. And we use the world space texture on that thing as well, so we don't have to worry about the scaling and stuff, which is awesome. Save scene, save project. And let's work on this power-up thing. So we're going to go to test 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to basically, these are going to be the last 2 features of the game for this episode. And the next episode, what we're going to focus on is just adding levels and content and just trying to build out, we're just going to try to build out a 10-level game. They're going to be all terrible levels, but it's going to give you some stuff to go through.
Yeah.
But at least it'll be more than just the 2. So, and we need to make these 2 a little bit better too, or maybe not. I mean, maybe the tutorial stages can stay the same, but so what are we doing? We're doing power up. There's power up. So power up has this thing called ammo health. So I'm gonna create. So we called this thing collision bug. I'm gonna create a C# script called ammo health bug. And I'm going to base it a little bit on collision bug. And we're going to have a chance of bug.
So I'm going to do pretty much the same thing.
Yeah, no problem. You good. That's what you should be doing. Sorry we don't have a video on Phil here, but...
No, I'm better with that.
Yeah. No problem.
I don't want people to see how I code.
You code just fine.
Just slowly. Slower. I haven't been streaming my code.
Yeah, well, I'm going to tell you that's the honest truth is like, I just had to say at the beginning when I started this stuff, I'm just like, I'm slow, but I'm just going to put it on camera anyway, and now I'm fast, so it's great.
Fair enough.
I'm kind of fast. I'm not as fast as some people, but so chance of bug, we'll just do 0.1f, and all we're going to do is where's the collision bug? So if random value is less than chance of bug, Then we're going to say bugged equals true, so we're going to need a public or private bool bugged equals false. And what we're going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and say I'm an evil power up. And all we're going to do is we're going to make it so that we will do ammo health equals find or get component ammo health dot ammo effect or ammo percentage plus equals oh, we could change the effect too. Let's just do this for right now. So times equals -1 ammo health dot ammo percentage ammo health dot health amount times equals -1 by OF. So what this will do is make it so that that when we collect this power up now, it will do the opposite of healing or ammoing you. So
Healing or ammoing?
Yeah. We could have made it so that it gives you health when it should give you ammo, but considering you can get both from the same power up, that would be really hard to check. It's a legitimate bug. It could happen, right? But that's too hard. So we're just going to make it so this is still hard because you have to pay attention to your health. And it also would be kind of weird because you might die from it if you pick it up in certain cases.
Yeah,
so
you don't want to die from that.
So we need the rest of our
nobody wanna
logic
die
here,
from that.
which is used for mark bug. So we need some mark bug logic here. So I'm going to put mark bug logic in here. And that requires a couple more things. We need marked private bool marked equals false. And then we want to have some way of marking them. So I'm going to... what should we do in this case? Let's just put the let's just create an extra box on the power up. So we're just going to create a file, no, not file, create 3D object cube. We're going to go into the power up. We're going to put our cube in the power up. We're going to put the cube at the center of the power up. We're going to make it slightly larger than the power up. Actually, let's leave it at that size. And then what we're going to do is we're going to give it the material of marked material. That'll work. I think that actually looks kind of cool. Or should we have it be bigger? What do you think? So do you think we should have it
It needs to be
interior, or
bigger.
do you think it should be around it?
I kind of like it in the interior.
I kind of like it in the interior as well.
However, that looks pretty good.
That looks cool.
I think that looks better.
All right. So I'm going to disable this by default. We're going to call this marked. We're going to change this so that instead of, unlike the collision bug, we just replace the whole thing. On this one, we're going to say public game object marker, and then we will say marker dot set active true and marker dot set active false. So let's see what we got so far. Let's see how this works. So I'm going to put this
I think you might need to do the enemy one because I'm
no worries. No,
being slow.
Don't worry about it. It's not a problem. What are we doing? And don't feel bad if you're like play with it too.
Just,
have some fun.
I kind of like watching what's going on.
Okay, fair enough. I understand. I want to watch. No. What are we doing? Ammo health bug. We're going to put this on our ammo health power up. And we're going to give the marker is going to be our marked. And I'm going to apply this so that it happens to all of them, even though we only have one right now. So if we hit play, we should be able to mark. We can mark it.
Neat.
All right, cool. And there was no way I could tell if I gained or lost ammo on that one. Let's make it so...
Make it so.
That's important. Someone has to switch the machine gun. Okay, cool. That's fine.
What?
We'll leave that in there. All right. So you think I should do the enemy? Actually, I still need to finish up this one. So we still need to do the scoring stuff. So what else do we need in collision bug? We have this evaluate score function. And we need to grab the collision bugs here, except for we're going to change it to be ammo health. Ammo health bug. Ammo health bugs.
New list of ammo and
Yeah.
ammo health bugs.
Lots of ammo health bug. And we change all of this to for each ammo health bug. And we need to actually track these, which happens in start, I think. On enable, there we go. So we have these, we're just gonna grab these, throw these in here somewhere, it doesn't matter where. And we need to say ammo health bugs, ammo health bugs. We really don't need this anymore. We proved that this actually works.
We also, yeah.
May as well. So save all. And so we got that. And then finally in display health, how does this work? No, display collision bug score. How do we do this? So we evaluate the score on it. Okay, so that's easy. So that's easy enough. Type or namespace name list 1 could not be found. Oh. Collections generic. Save. Alright, and then now I'm going to duplicate the display collision bug score, save all. We're going to call this display ammo display power up bug score. Yeah, I changed it up on you at the end. So we're going to do ammo health bug dot evaluate score. Save. And let's see what else. Oh, we need to call this display. Hey!
Hello.
Hello.
It's Jeffrey!
Jeffrey is here. So, we got that, and I'm also going to go into display score penalty, and we're going to have score info 1 equals collision bug dot evaluate score. Score info 2 equals collision bug display power up ammo health bug dot evaluate score, and then plus score info 1 dot penalty plus score info 2 dot penalty. Save all. All right. I think that's what we need, and then we just need to go and put this onto our exit canvas here. We're going to go canvas, score panel, and we're going to duplicate collision bug score, and we're going to call this power up bug score. And power up bugs.
Power up.
Save. See? We're We're going to move this so that it is not in the exact same place.
Once you get that change in, you're going to merge it to the repository?
Yes.
Okay.
And we're going to move this down. What? Not that one. This one. Move
Is this a new bug type?
This is a new bug type.
Power-up bug.
What's the bug?
The bug is the power-up does the opposite of what it should do, so it loses health or loses ammo.
Yeah.
So save scene, save project, play.
How do you mark it?
Whoops, I forgot to. You mark it the same way that you mark the walls.
But isn't it gone once you know if it was a bug?
Yes.
Yes, so you have to kill yourself and then mark it the second time through and not collect it. Actually, no, you can. We'll fix the collecting thing. So
there's death and stuff now.
Yeah, there is death and stuff.
Yes.
So
there's death and stuff.
Well, that is a big part of testing. That was a good idea, making you have to kill yourself to redo things.
Exactly.
So what was I going to do? There was something I was going to do to make it so that I want to make it so if you mark the bug, I think if you mark the power up shouldn't collect anymore.
Yeah, I think that's probably true.
Yeah, let's do that. So if we go to ammo health, so how can we keep it from collecting? I guess we could change the layer that it's on. What layers do we have right now? We've got planar only hotbox, broken collision. I'm just gonna actually we'll call it. What do we use? We use broken collision for the ones that we don't collide with the player. That's perfect. We'll just use broken collision on it. So, and how do we do that in collision bug? We say broken collision layer. And except for it's not really broken collision, but we're just going to use it exactly the same because it's basically exactly the same. So broken collision layer, and what do we actually do to do that? So instead of doing this when we bug it, we're going to do this when we mark it. So mark bug, broken collision layer. So we need to bring this back to the original layer. How do we do that here? Oh, we never have to bring it back. Yeah, exactly. So we're going to have public int. It is just an int, right?
Default layer.
Original layer. Original layer equals. Where's the layer on this thing again?
Transform. Or
Game object.layer.
Named.
You would expect that to be in transform. You really would.
You would think it would.
I'd expect it to be in both because they put most of it.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Yeah.
So in this case, we go back to, so if we mark it, it goes to broken collision layer, and then if we unmark it, we put it back to original layer. So let's see if that works. Save all. We're gonna hit. Whoops. Invalid. Oh wait, this we don't need this. We can just do equals original layer.
Yeah, that makes sense. Because it's a reference.
Let's hide the canvas. Hit play. Here we go. And so if we mark it and then try to collect it. Ooh. Okay, so that's not good.
We shouldn't be able to run into it if it's...
Oh, I know what the problem is.
So it's something else.
It's because that icon has collision. No. And we also probably... Oh, yeah, we don't need to change the layer because, yeah, save scene, save project, play. So now if we mark it, we can't collect it anymore, and if we unmark it, we can collect it.
That's a good way to save them for later too. If
Yeah. We might do something similar with the enemies, and you know that's if someone makes a strategy out of it,
you can just
and
avoid them.
like it turns off their AI or something, and yeah, exactly, yeah. You could use that as a weapon. You can use the debug as a weapon. Why not?
Debug is a weapon.
A debug is totally a weapon. It's a powerful weapon.
No,
so
you should do.
Well, that's the idea that
I'm going to
commit
my changes.
Game. All of the debug things were powers in the game.
Bug power-ups. Commit. Let's see if the scoring stuff actually works. So, did we get a bug? We didn't get a bug. Did we get... Still didn't get any bugs.
Did you turn off the debug log or something?
No, I didn't on those ones, I don't think. Uh-oh. Did we screw up the game somewhere? I'm fairly certain, yeah, I'm an evil power-up that shows up here, and collision bug says I'm not colliding right, so those should work. Oh, I know the problem. Wait, no, I don't know the problem. We did make some changes here. Random C was random range, max value. So we should have a random manager. When does that happen? That happens at start. We should happen this at awake. I think that will solve our problem. We should happen this at awake, whatever language that is that I'm speaking.
We should happen this at awake?
Yes.
That's C-.
I'm not colliding right. Okay, we got a bug.
I'm sorry, that's
we got two collider bugs. Okay, I'm gonna make this have a 100% chance of being a bug because
it has several meanings.
Drink
water.
Is there water there?
I think there usually is.
So we're gonna do chance of bug 1. So there should absolutely be a bug. Did it actually do it? It did. I'm an evil power up. All right. So if we collect this at health, it might kill us actually.
How much does it deduct? Wait, no, you're not on.
It killed us.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. Display ammo update. Get concurrent component gun. Why did that not work? Display ammo. Doesn't matter. Didn't hurt anything. So it's an evil power up, so we can mark this.
What happens when you die?
When you die, it just resets the level.
There's no water. The world is out of water, Jeff.
See, that doesn't kill us this time.
I could not find water. My quest for water.
You couldn't find water?
No.
We live in a civilized society. I think there's like 3 taps here. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What happened there? Uh-oh.
Oh, maybe this is causing a problem. So... Hold on. We don't have it so the exit can be not collidable, do we? No, we don't.
Wait, what do you mean it resets the level?
I mean, it resets the level if you die. Like, if we go up to this dude and he kills us, which he can do now, it resets the level.
And what persists the...
We actually, we persist the seed. That's how we do it. So the seed stays the same during the gameplay session. So let's mark this, kill this guy harder, and figure out that this is still not working. So what is going on here? So we didn't even have any debug logs this time that were bad. Uh-oh. Why is it not loading the next level?
Unmark the power up and then try running into it. Not that should do anything.
I'm going to just get rid of the power up for a moment. Then we're going to see if we can beat the level.
When you removed a collider earlier, did you remove that from exit or from the...
I thought I removed that from this marked thing. Let's look at the exit. It has a box collider, player only hitbox. Activate score panel. Oh, I found the problem. It's because I disabled the wrong thing. I disabled one level too high. This will work now. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this bug, because I know it's bugged, because we set it to bug all the time. Oh, and I died. So let's mark it again.
Cactus Man killed you.
Cactus Man. Alright.
Cactus Man.
There we go. Power bugs found 0 of 0. Well, that didn't work. So,
apparently it's not bugged.
So let's see what we got here. It's probably because I didn't actually do the proper logic here. So, evaluate score. If bug marked and bug bugged.
Bug bugged.
So why, if we go to our display power-ups bug score, it's score info.score versus score info.max score. Do we not mark it as bugged? Do we not mark it as marked? We have bugged and marked.
Is it on the pickup?
Well, it was killing us, so I would hope so. And we set the probability to 1, so yeah, it's on there. I'm going to make original layer not public. Alright, so we add the bugs, remove the bugs. Oh, on disable, remove. But we didn't disable it. Oh, that is going to be a problem right there. There's a bug with this. If we collect the ammo, is that what I did? Or did I mark it? I marked it, I thought.
You marked it, I think.
So it says I'm an evil power-up. Okay, I marked it. Oh.
0 of 1.
0 of 1.
Okay.
I marked it.
Oh, I know why this is happening.
Why is this happening?
Well, there's display collision bugs. Oh, you have that. Never mind. It's like it's not adding it to the... It's not being evaluated as being broken for some reason.
Well, it evaluated as being broken this time,
yeah,
but then...
When you marked it, it didn't matter, right?
Yeah. So I'm going to try not collecting it.
Nothing.
So that's right, but when we did mark it, so I think if we collect it, it'll be wrong. I know that there's a bug with that because there's a edge case that's special in this one because we don't ever delete. No, it still says that's scary. Okay.
There should be a penalty on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no,
there shouldn't be a penalty. It should have. I expected there to be a bug there. I expected there to be a bug there.
It actually should have been 0 out of 1. It should have been what it showed.
Display power up. Ammo health bug.
Yeah, it should be.
Evaluate score.
Right. It's just when you mark it that it should have shown 1 out of 1. So where's the list that...
It's in this.
It's in here.
Bug.
And then
It's
you're adding it on enable?
Yeah.
And removing it
So
on
this
disable?
should cause a bug, but it's not for some reason. Because when we collect it, it would destroy itself, in which case it would remove itself, in which case that would be a bug in our game. But that's not even happening, so that's weirding me out. I didn't do something really stupid and actually use the wrong thing here, right? Ammo health bug, no, that's right.
Oh, what? Go down there. What's it marked? That seems right.
So first of all, does it kill me? Yes, it does. Good. Does it destroy my ammo? We didn't actually test that. It does. Oh, negative 150.
Try and fire.
Yeah, I can't. Does nothing.
Negative 150?
I'm going to keep it. I like that.
Use goggles.
It's a bigger bug. So we mark it. Here, I'm going to turn it off completely. And we're going to see what it says at the end of the level.
Should say 0.
Should be 0, 0. 0, 0. Okay. So we enable it.
Wait, it's doing the same thing for both bug types. Maybe the text is wrong.
Oh, that's a good point.
Good point. Very good point. That was silly of me.
That actually makes sense.
Yes, thank you. There it is, display collision bug score. Thank you. Display power-up bug score. There we go.
Okay.
Let's apply this. There we go. Save scene, save product. Now all the bugs should actually be bugs, and well, there is a bug in this. So if we collect this power up, which luckily we did on the infinite ammo, which honestly that would be hilarious if it affected that.
It'll say
bugs found
0,
0, 0. So there's a bug there, but okay. So let's fix that bug. So the problem here is on disable is not the safe place to remove this anymore, so we need to have something that happens at either the beginning or the end of the level. So we have level start. We actually have something for this. So level start. Level start. And we're going to... I'm just going to keep the collision bugs as they are because they're working, but we're going to make a special void... what did we call our reset thing? Because we found out reset was a real thing. We didn't want to use it anymore.
We called it something else. I just don't remember what.
End manager. Okay, that's probably not a good name for this. Clear public static void clear clear ammo health bugs. And actually we'll just say clear bugs. And then we'll do ammo health bugs dot clear. And then we will drop this on disable. And we will add to what level? Level start. Ammo health bug dot clear bugs. So we go in here, we collect our bug power up, hopefully in a way that we don't die. I was lucky. And then we go to the level thing. Power bugs found 0, 0, so it still didn't work. Why didn't it work? Oh, because we're doing... Oh, wait, we do that on awake. That's fine. Because we do the... When do we do this? At start. No, on enable. When does on enable happen? Does that happen before or after awake?
Enable?
Okay, that's not useful. Just after the object is enabled. I'm just going to do a test here. Debug.log enabling, and then debug.log starting.
Your local
enable
rotation like
happens
this?
First. Okay, that's our problem.
Max,
what was that?
you ever seen this? Look at this. Local rotation is just nonsense number.
How is that nonsense?
Well, shouldn't it be like, you know, degrees? It's been a while since I've used
no,
this.
you're using
No.
debug. You don't turn off
you.
debug mode.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the quaternion numbers.
Oh, yeah, that was
yeah.
just bizarre.
Quaternions, serious business. So we'll just put these here.
Apparently. I'm just trying to make a few levels. So.
Alright, so save. Now hopefully this will work the way we want. So we collect the power up.
Oh, that's cool. We've side sourced level creation.
Nah, at the
Yes,
moment.
we have.
The moment. Don't count on that sticking.
Right, we're going to 0, 1. Okay, now let's see if we can mark it.
I
So
would
we're
say
going to
that.
mark the bug.
Cactus Man.
Cactus Man. Oh,
Cactus Man's coming.
Oh, yeah, Cactus Man.
Power funds found 1 of 1. Perfect. All right, that's working. So let's save project. Yo, dog. We heard you liked fixing bugs, so we fixed a bug in your bugs so you can fix while you bug.
That's not yo dog, that's you dog.
Semantics.
All right. I'm gonna need a power up. Alright, so now we're gonna do the enemies. So I'm gonna duplicate ammo health bug and call this enemy bug. And I'm just gonna make the enemies go away from you instead of towards you. So
God, it's hard to do stuff without a mouse. Isn't that weird?
So all enemy bug is going to do is going to be exactly the same as this, except we're going to make it so that we get component Doom AI. Doom AI, get component Doom AI. Doom AI dot speed, movement speed times equals negative 1.0 F. So we got that. So we got health. Wait, we don't need this anymore. Just movement speed, and I'm a bugged enemy. Save. We're going to change this to be, I'm just going to do a refactor here, rename. I'm going to call this enemy bugs.
I am not
Call this enemy bug. Save all. Everything else should be. What happened here? Oh, what happened there? Bugs occur and.
Must have been one of those find all.
Huh. Wait, that's all wrong. I must have deleted it somehow. Whoa. Oh, wait, no, that's fine. So, enemy bugs, is that what actually caused it? No. Alright, well, whatever. We're going to do... marker.setActive. If not marked. That's really strange.
I'm gonna have to start bringing a mouse. This is just.
I've got a mouse in my bag if you need.
Yes.
All right.
Desperately.
Let me just grab that for you.
Oh,
Actually,
no.
you got it. Yeah. All right.
I'll bring this to you, so I don't have to go through your bag. That's not my bag going through someone's bag.
Fair enough.
How does this work? Is it Bluetooth?
It's Bluetooth, so you're going to have to, like, pair it or something. You're probably going to control my computer for a moment while you do so.
Cool.
So,
Seriously, it's not my bag, baby.
it's not my bag. Enemy bug. Save. Cancel. That was the mouse.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. What did I find here? What was the problem? As a method or delegate. Oh, what happened here? What did? Okay, I'm not using mono develops find replace stuff anymore because I think it like went through and just pooped on everything.
Apparently.
What was it you found and replaced?
It was I refactored this to be enemy bugs from something else bugs. Cancel.
Why can't it find it?
Okay, is it in pair mode?
Yeah, I don't know. Is it?
Let's put it in pair mode. There we go. It should.
Apparently, I don't know how to Bluetooth. It's not showing as discoverable.
There it is.
Oh, there it is. Cool. Thanks. Thank you.
No problem.
Oh.
It'll take a moment. There we go.
I'm okay with that.
All right.
Oh.
Yay. So, so that compiles. That's good. Let's put this on our enemies. Our Cactus Man.
I don't know why you don't use that mouse every episode.
I
would never be able to use
so much
the
faster
trackpad.
with a touchpad than I am with the mouse. So I'll beat anyone at Unreal Tournament with a touchpad. So not anyone, but I'll beat Fatality with a touchpad, but not anyone else. No.
We don't care about little like walls being too close to the other walls, right?
No. Just have fun. Just make it.
I think I could take you at Unreal Tournament.
You might be able to. Actually, you might.
I don't know about other third-person or first-person shooters, but Unreal Tournament I was very good at back in the day.
Unreal Tournament or Unreal Tournament 2K4?
2K4.
Okay. I was talking the original Unreal Tournament, but I'll challenge you at 2K4. I'll challenge you at 2K4 with the touchpad.
I used to play it competitively as part of a league.
That's awesome. That's really cool.
We came in second like pretty much every single time because the people in first were just way beyond every other team.
So I'm going to duplicate from our power up here. I'm going to copy this marked thing and paste it into our Cactus Man.
Cactus Man.
Or try to paste it into our Cactus Man and fail.
Cactus Man.
We're going to put it at 0, 0. And then we're going to, wait, we're going to make it a bit visible so we can see what we're doing. And make it differently sized. We're going to make this one real flat, 0.1. Actually, let's make it a little bit. Yeah, 0.1 should do it because we'll be able to see that from either side. And make it wider and taller. There we go. That looks about right. And make it a little thicker.
Why is it still?
It's because Z buffers, man. I don't care. Maybe I should care. Well, he always looks at us, right? So I'm going to put it in front of him. I'm going to just move the...
Shouldn't it be behind him because he's running away? Oh, never mind. You changed the direction he was moving, but not the direction that he's facing.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
he's
probably
not
not.
He's not gonna change. Yeah, he's not gonna flip.
I guess we... Here, let's just make that... Does that not work as well as making it... Yeah, it doesn't work as well, so... 0.1. Well, we're never going to see him at that angle anyway, so let's see it
Doesn't
up.
make any sense.
Makes sense. The buffers suck. Alright, so now we got to actually put the marker. We're going to unselect it. We're going to put it into the Cactus Man for marker. And we're going to give him a 1.0 chance of bugs. So let's see if he actually runs away from us. He did. He's a scaredy cat.
What a jerk.
Did you see that, Phil?
What happened?
It was
You
awesome.
can't undo that decision. He's getting out of there.
What did I...
It's kind of awesome, actually.
What did
So we're like, no, take it. No.
Oh, we need to make
right.
it so that doesn't happen.
Yeah, we'll make that so that doesn't happen. So what we'll do is we'll also do.
I want you to try something else too. Run up so that you're close to him, even though he's running away from you. See if he'll still attack you.
He should. Oops. I'm just gonna have to scoot him into some place that's not the exit. Can I get you to cooperate a little bit? Okay, there we go. Yep, he can get you. I'm okay with that though, but I do want him to actually hang around. So so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna leave their collision on. I'm just gonna leave the Cactus Man's collision on. So instead of changing the layer, we're just gonna get rid of that.
And I would make all these numbers nice.
So you did
and
something
even
to
if I
make
could.
sure. You did something to make sure that the health ammo power up persisted even if you picked it up.
Yep. And I did that to him too because I copied him from the health ammo, the ammo health. So
okay.
He should be set. So let's actually make a display score for this thing. So duplicate display power up bug score. We're going to change this and call it display enemy bug score. Alright, so display enemy bug score, save. We're going to do enemy bug dot evaluate score, save. We're going to duplicate our power up bug score, call it enemy bug score. We're going to make everything visible again so that we can see what's going on. We're going to make it so that this says enemy AI bugs found. We're going to give them a hint. And move this down a little. How do we do that? Just make it go down. Alright, and then we need to make sure that this is not display power up bug score, but rather it says display enemy bug score. And then we apply, save all, save project, play, and actually forgot to do. And actually, we now know some stuff about how to make this text work better, so I want to actually make it so that this stuff will... it doesn't matter. We'll adjust that later. So, hide the score panel, hit play, mark this dude. I'm not going to mark that dude, I'm just going to go to the exit. Found the bugs, the enemy bound bugs found 0 of 1, perfect. Alright, so now we're going to do this again, except for we're going to mark him.
Well, this might work. We'll see.
Alright, it worked.
Now shoot him and then go through.
Alright, good call. Actually, we haven't, yeah, we didn't try that. And actually, there's one more thing I want to try. I want to see what happens if we shoot him after we mark him, because there might actually be a bug with that. So let's do just the shooting him first. So it should still say that he was bugged. Yeah.
So wait, this is on
bugs
a...
found. Yep, good.
Oh, I'm on a branch.
Are you on a
what's
branch?
happened. Well, I mean, like, look at
Oh,
this.
yeah, when you haven't committed to, when you haven't merged to master, yeah.
So I just stage all these files and commit them if I want to?
Yeah, yeah.
Or I can just... Should I just pull real quick? What is that? Pulls commits from remote.
Yeah, you're going to need to do that before you can submit stuff, so...
To pull?
Yeah, you have to pull first, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, what am I doing? I'm going to, score panel. What are we doing?
Oh, this seems bad.
We're gonna mark him, kill him. And
Oh, yeah, thank you. Thank you for reminding me, because I was totally going to forget and do something else. So, we go over here.
Oh, that's no good.
Mark him. Kill him.
What did I do wrong?
And we go through. It worked! Everything worked. It's amazing.
That's why.
How did it work? I don't even know how it worked, but evidently... Uh-oh.
What?
Why did that happen?
Did you have the score on in the next scene? You forget to turn the panel off in the next scene?
Let me find out. Good
Or
question.
maybe you applied it with the panel on and then you turned the panel off without applying the prefab.
maybe. Let's check the other scene real quick now. Which what you just said could still be the case even if this. Okay, so it's working now. Let's make sure that it's still working when we go in now. If we go to test 1, we go here, mark the bug. Let this cactus man run away from us. Oh, he there's a
found a
wall.
collision bug.
He's trying to escape.
Oh, he hit you. You're at 2.6 health.
Oh wow, he almost killed me.
He does a floating point damage amount?
Yeah, he does. Yay, it worked.
0.0 health.
Why am I at 0.0 health? That's something that happens every time? Alright, let's look at that. So I'm at 50% health. I'm very lucky to be alive.
Yeah, I thought that you hit the...
I'm 0 health. Okay, so it happens when we go to the next level no matter what. So let's look at our health.
Can I just stage all these files, right?
Yeah.
Call it good?
Yeah, go do it. Stage them and commit them and send them, and then I'll merge them in.
Oh, what's with this?
Do mine.
That seems weird. Why is that red?
Did you delete a file?
Not that I know of.
Built-in shares default resources UI skin.meta.
Yeah, weird, huh?
That's fine. That's fine.
That's okay?
It's totally fine.
I can just commit these?
Yeah,
so
just commit those.
So I push them, right?
Yeah.
If it was only a meta file, it means that someone else probably
Well,
deleted
what it means is that there's a folder that's orphaned in here, which I'm going to delete as well. What was it called? It was called built-in shaders.
That's what I was saying. Someone else deleted a file or a folder and didn't submit the meta file going away with it.
Where was it, Phil?
Oh, it's built-in shaders, default resources, extra, UI, and then skin meta.
Skin. Okay, that's the problem. Yay.
So then I just right here, I just say, I made a level. Woot?
Actually, I shouldn't have deleted that there. Well, we're gonna run into a merge conflict, but that's okay.
Yay! Now we get to deal with merge conflicts.
Yes, it's fun. Health.
So I push it,
Player
right?
health.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
So in start, current health equals initial health. Current health is static. It grabs. Why is it getting 0? Where would it get 0 from? Huh. Have you already submitted yours?
Trying to, but I don't know if it's doing it.
Am I actually at 0 health, or is it? Yeah, I'm actually at 0 health.
Saying something about my password being wrong, which seems wrong.
Is it because he's killing me like between the levels somehow? Like if this guy's not in my way, do I have that problem?
What the hell?
0 health still.
Go back to the singleton. You have it in both scenes, right?
I should. Yeah, let me check. Prison Control's in here.
What's the password?
It's whatever your. Oh, you might have to. It should just be your GitHub stuff.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
But if it's not, you might have to. You might have to authorize it through Git using one of their tokens. So.
All right.
Can you go into player health?
Yes.
Wait, on Awake you have instance...
Oh, God.
I have a projects folder that's right here, but I want it to
No,
duplicate.
why?
Oh, this isn't a singleton.
Well, it actually is because it's attached to something that is a singleton.
Oh, wait, so do we get a second one in the second scene? Or are you removing it
So-
somewhere?
So
Oh, that's on the parent.
the
That it
Yeah.
removes the new.
here, let's just try this just in case. Because I see where you're getting at. Oops, that's not the right level. I'll help you out with that in just a
Yeah,
second.
no
here.
worries. I wanted it to just work. And now it's
Oh,
not.
there we go. That was
You
the
lost
problem.
The point.
Good. So yeah, we'll just do that.
Where did the last hit point come from?
It was because I was near that dude, the cactus.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Here, watch. If I kill the cactus, it's not going to be a problem. Or just murder him. Nope, I'm wrong. Why
you
did we
lost
lose?
ammo? Or yeah, I think you lost.
What
ammo.
made me lose a health? The ammo doesn't bother me. Like losing an ammo, I probably clicked a button somewhere. But what? Why would my health go down by 1 point?
Well, I think you lost like 50 ammo or something.
Oh,
'Cause
did
don't
I?
You start with. Oh, you start with 100. Never mind. Maybe it didn't.
Oh, it didn't go down that time. That's weird. Inconsistent bugs are my least favorite kinds of bugs. Oh, it's negative 150. That's not going to help us.
So the ammo didn't go down.
Yeah, neither did the health that time. Okay, the ammo went down because I clicked. Why the health went down those times, I have no idea. Why would the health go down by 1 point?
Did you kill him each time the health went down?
No, there were times when I kept him alive, and there were times when I kept him dead. And in whoops. So let's kill him this time. Maybe it's because I marked him. Maybe there's something to do with marking that causes it for some reason. No. Phantom bug.
Ghost in the machine.
Okay,
No,
cancel.
not really.
I'm gonna beat you to your check-in, so then you can't blow over my stuff.
That's fine.
So-
Well, I don't know what's the problem. So
All right. I'm gonna help you with that right this second. Actually, I'm not going to submit skin.met. I'm going to reset that. Because that's one that you've already committed into your local copyright.
I think so.
Stuff. All right. So
when I try,
so what you're going to be doing
okay.
is you're going to go into GitHub, and you're going to go into your profile thing. You're going to go like edit profile maybe, and you're going to go to applications, and you're going to generate a new personal access token in there. So
Profile. Oh, profile. Applications. Get new token.
yep, generate new token, and just call it like source tree or something, and then hit generate token, and then you use that as your password.
This is the
Yeah,
password.
Yeah,
Weird. Okay, but you just committed something, right? Yeah.
I did.
Oh. Ah, what's this? Ah!
He's being attacked by Windows, by Macs, by
Pop-up windows.
by pop-up Windows. Yes,
On Mac.
on Macs, on a Mac, on what's a Mac. All right.
That's weird. Why did it do that?
Because you locally merged when you pulled, it automatically
okay.
merged. So
So now
but you
I
haven't
can push,
committed
right?
that yet. Yeah, but now you can push, hopefully. And let's see if that password works.
A huge password.
Error specified item could not be found in the keychain.
Let me Google this here.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
All right. So
It says it's denied to me. That the permission to that is denied to me. To upload for the VOGJam.
Oh, maybe. Oh, that's the problem. I'm stupid. Okay, got it. That's on my end.
It's because it's not.
Because I don't actually have you for some reason on there for some reason. So let's find out. Repositories. Wait, no, it's in Bushy Pixels.
Not Max.
Bushy Pixels.
How excited you looking at? Yeah.
I do look excited. I was at Unite when that picture was taken. So VOGJam, settings, collaborators,
Password.
Owners have full access to all repositories. So why haven't I just made you an owner?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't want you to have all access.
Yeah,
okay,
I can understand that.
We're gonna add Pushy Pixels admins, add team. There we go.
That's correct, right?
Yep, and that'll fix it.
Am I an admin?
You should be. Let's double check.
It said there were 2, didn't it?
Maybe.
I'll add you as an admin if you give me because there really should be 3.
Yeah.
But so Jeffrey, if you
Okay,
if you
let me
have a
try
GitHub
this again
account,
now.
just do that. Yeah, that might be all we need to do. And you might have not needed to do that password thing. I'm sorry about that.
Oh, look at that.
Yay! It worked.
Yeah.
And so now I'm going to get what he just got. So
Did you enter the key chain, or did you enter your password?
I entered that password, that SSH password, so it was half right.
all right. So it should work either with your key or your SSH password, by the way. Either of those would work. The only reason they have that interface, actually, is for if you set up, like, 2-factor authentication, you can no longer use your
okay. That
password,
makes
and so
sense.
then you need to give a token for it. So we're going to pull from Origin here, and hopefully we'll get what we got from Phil. Exciting! Look at that.
So now there's this weird little, like, branch that goes off and then back to the branch. That's weird. Look at that. See?
Yep. I made a level. Woot! See, this is his and this is mine, and then we merged it.
Neat. So let's see if we can see my level. We should just play through and see what happens.
All right, so we're gonna.
we can play.
Oh yeah, sure. Let's just do it. Did you change the level settings as well?
No. I
Okay,
didn't.
well then we need to do that.
Okay, let's do that.
Let's do that real quick. Build settings. We're gonna grab
It's test level 3.
test level
Or test 3.
Boop, and we'll put that right there.
Oh, okay. No, I didn't change that part. Dang it. Knew I was forgetting something.
Oh, our surprise is
No,
test
he's
3,
running
so we're
away.
going to have to change that when we merge that back in.
Oh, yeah, that's
Oh
what I
yeah,
heard,
is that what we called it? Dang it! Oh wow, these guys are brutal. I forgot. Okay, I actually have to worry about them now that they do damage.
What is their range?
Why aren't you
it's-
looking for broken walls to get around them?
Different weapon. I don't know.
Or are you out of ammo?
I am, so I had to switch to my pea shooter.
Oh, God. They're
No!
everywhere.
No, it got me!
Oh!
I really should probably make them less deadly. Right now they're in test mode with, like, incredible deadliness.
Oh, you made it save the ammo and reset your... Oh, no, it gave you the
Nah,
default.
it just gives the default. Which I think is probably good.
Yeah.
So I noticed that if I click him really fast, it seems like I can hit him as fast as I want.
Why did you die right there,
No, that's not true.
by the way?
Yeah, I was wondering, too. Maybe
Maybe
found
one
a
of them
secret
got
wall.
through a wall and...
No, yeah, I think I can shoot them faster than I can supposed to be able to shoot, so that might be a bug. So keep that in mind.
Okay.
Remind me that the shooting speed might be a bug.
Just-
Just go ahead and run for it. Made it.
You got hit. 34.1.
All right.
See if this worked.
0 out of 11.
Wow, we missed a lot of AI bugs on that one. So, where is this one happening from?
Oh. You're stopping it right
Doesn't
before...
matter. Okay, all right,
Fault
here we go.
effect.
I was just... Oh, God!
God!
Jesus.
Oh, God!
Why
Is
did
he
he
supposed to
run?
do that?
No, I don't know. That's
Oh, he got pushed by the other
terrifying.
guy, I think. I think they, like...
probably.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
They launched him. You picked it up with your infinite weapon.
Yeah, I know. There we go. Oh, no!
That's scary. I like it.
Did you test your level?
No.
Because you weren't expecting that.
Of course I didn't test my level. Why is that guy not moving?
There was a hallway to the left. He's running away. He was
Whoa,
running into the
oh,
wall.
I didn't move the hot box. Dang it. I messed up all sorts of stuff on that
All right,
level.
go fix your level.
Hey. I know what you wanted to say.
You know what I wanted to say, yeah.
Who
Dude.
broke
Of
the
course you did.
build?
I didn't break the build.
There are 2 audio listeners in this scene. Where was that happening? What scene was that?
You lost a health.
Lost all the health.
Wasted all that ammo. See, like, when I shoot here, it's like boom, boom, boom. But when I shoot these guys, it's like... No, it's boom, boom, boom. Okay, never mind. I'm just a crazy person.
Oh, I just accidentally moved the exit geometry. That's great. Why would I do that? Oh, because I clicked on it. I always forget about that stuff with these prefabs. You know? Click on the...
Ooh, you barely made it.
Barely made it.
I just want to move it.
I think you want health.
Yeah, I think I want health too. Hopefully it's not bugged. Whoa! Oh! That's, there must be another power-up later in the level.
Oh, yeah.
Because we can see it going through this power-up. Watch.
Oh, weird. There is another power-up in that level, actually.
Yeah, doesn't surprise me.
That wall should be blocking it, though.
Should it?
Unless the wall is bugged.
Well, should it be blocking it? It shouldn't, because it doesn't matter about the collision on that case, I don't think. Alright, I'm gonna get this health.
No, I mean, there's a solid wall there. It should be blocking the...
I thought it would be draw if the test is correct no matter what. Because I thought that... Are you doing a depth test initially? Additionally?
I don't remember how it's set up.
Okay. Gotta get ammo now here. No! Okay.
So...
Well, now I can just get lots of ammo. I'll just murder
That's why
these
I
guys.
gave you ammo. So don't go to go straight ahead. Turn to the left. Oh, I need to fix that.
We actually have a left turn in the game. That's crazy.
Oh, you're...
Look at all of them. But yeah, I moved the geometry without moving the exit.
That's funny. You just I've done that before. It's unfortunate when that happens.
Well, it says there's exit and exit geometry, but exit looks like it's contained within the map or within the score. Or it's like it shoots me way back here. Look at that.
Score is contained within exit.
So look. So there's exit. There's the canvas. But the canvas is contained within the exit.
That's
So
right.
it
That's
always
how it's
pulls
supposed to
it
be. That's how it's supposed to be.
stupid far back, and I can't move it.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, that's annoying.
So double-click the geometry and then click the top without double-clicking it.
Then I can't move it with the little pulley thingy.
Oh.
We can get out of the level.
See, I can't actually move the exit. That's
Wait, you have a bunch of things selected.
yeah, they're all child of the exit. The canvas is a child of the exit.
Why
So
can't you move the
therefore,
exit?
Because
I don't get the little pull thing on the exit anymore because the canvas is on it.
And it changes the center of all the objects.
it does.
Why?
Because that's
Dumb.
the way it works.
There's not...
So when I tried to move the geometry, I did just move the geometry.
Oh,
See
that's
what I'm
annoying.
saying?
Because the parent is the center of all of the objects underneath it.
So why is the canvas a child of the exit? Just out of
So
curiosity.
that the canvas could be part of the prefab and enable when you hit the exit rather than going straight to the next scene.
Oh.
It's the score.
Oh, we'll fix that. All right, let's fix that. Let me first save what we got. Actually, we haven't done anything, have we? Wait, editor build settings. So we did do one thing. We added the level, adding fills level.
I'm breaking stuff, apparently.
Yeah, that's what happens when more than one person works on a project. In the good way. Like it's good that you're breaking things. So, we just had too simple of levels to actually even know that was a problem. So, what we're going to do is we're going to move...
I'm just moving it via numbers right now.
I'm going to move all of these... I'm going to move
Just
score
to let
panel
you know.
into this canvas. Continue. And we're going to still keep it disabled. We're going to delete this canvas. And then we're going to apply. And then we have to make it so that this will actually still work. So object to activate, game object tag to activate. Oh, good, I kept it. So we will just... oh, wait, we can't do it that way, though. That's right.
I think what we want is a separate parent that parents both that exit and score panel. And then all he needs to move is that exit, not the... Wait, what is on that exit?
The problem was, even when he was moving the parent of it, it
Yeah,
was...
because it's because it has the collider. So make a parent that will hold that exit and the score panel separately, and then he moves that exit instead of the parent.
I see. So, gotcha. I don't want to do it that way, actually, but I see what you're saying. So what you're saying is basically have a container here and then have the exit here, and you move the exit around, and you don't worry about where the container is. Okay. But what I'm going to instead do is I'm going to just make it so that we have a... I'm just going to create an accessor of some
Hang on,
kind.
before you do that, well, I'm just going to save this real quick, okay?
C#. That's fine.
Because I moved it manually.
Okay, cool. And all we're going to do is change it so that the accessor... we call this score panel. I'm just going to call it score panel. We're going to put it on the score panel. We're going to go into score panel. And we'll keep the score panel enabled at first. We will in the start set active, game object dot set active false, and public score panel score instance public static.
Well, this is neat being able to do this kind of stuff. For both of us to be able to work on this at the same time is really cool.
Instance dot instance
Go back to
equals
YouTube.
this.
I need to get a better mouse.
Alright, so now we save. And now if we put score panel on here, it is on here. Now we can go to exit, and we're going to say, we're going to create a script called activate score panel. On trigger enter, right? Is that what we were doing? Wait, yeah. On trigger. Do I say enter? I do say enter. I swear there was one I just said. Nah, it doesn't matter.
Ooh, we got 16 people watching now.
Void on trigger enter. Score panel dot instance dot game object dot set active true. Save. And then finally we put this on the activate on trigger enter.
Oh, don't make the cactars so deadly.
No.
Make them less deadly.
Yeah, they will be less deadly.
I guess I could have fixed that, but I didn't think about it.
So Cactus Man.
Damage per second. 50.
Yeah, let's make it
like
10.
10, yeah.
Apply. Save scene, save all, save project. Let's see if this actually plays. We hit play. I want to actually apply this to the canvas real quick. Apply. Save. Save all, save project, go. So we're not paused at the start, that's good. We collect some nega ammo. What were we testing?
You were gonna see if.
Oh yeah, if we can move it. Okay, so so it comes up. That's good. And now let's see if we can actually move the exit around without breaking our backs. So we just do this, and yeah, it's easy now.
Oh, so now it's the
now it's
actual.
separate. Yeah.
Okay. So go ahead and you can get my changes. I've moved the exit around in the scene in the project as well.
All right. Exit prefab. What changed? A lot changed. Oh wait, this is what I changed. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good.
I only changed. My change is just.
Let's
for,
find out what your changes. So if we fetch, we can find
three.
out what you did without actually getting stuff. So yep, that's all you changed. Cool. So let's grab that. That should be pretty.
Look,
safe.
I actually wrote what I did.
That's awesome.
That's right.
I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff in. We're going to call this.
Now it's actually important
bug
that we commit.
fixes. Yeah, exactly. So now
right, let's try this.
Let's go through again and see how things go. So that's a bug.
He always runs away, doesn't he?
Yeah.
All of them are running away.
Evidently, I applied the 100% to them. Let me fix that. Let's make it
They're
so.
all so scared
Let's
of you.
make it so the Cactus Man has a 0.1 chance as well.
That was funny.
I'm going to go to the
Oh,
ammo
snap.
boxes though. Where's that power up? I'm going to make them a 25% chance. 0.25, just because we have way less of those than the other things. So, good project play.
Okay, so let's see this thing.
Switch weapons.
Okay, switching weapons. Well, do you want me to switch weapons?
I thought you were going to pick up ammo.
Oh, I see.
You didn't have to.
It was a
that
bug.
Yeah. Wait, why did you stop?
I don't know.
That's part of the game. You have to...
I have to deal with it.
Yeah.
All right, so is it a
Switch
bug this
weapon.
time? Oh, it's awesome this time. No, that's how you do it. You reset. So, yeah, there were no bugs. Sweet.
There's so many of them.
One of them hit you. Or you lost 0.2 health loading the next level. I'm not sure which.
I think one of them hit him.
See if
Killed
I
them
can find any
all.
bugs in this game. Yeah, no, looks like we're clean. Maybe I didn't apply that to the exits. Yep, I didn't.
Did you apply the
Save-
canvas? 'Cause
save all.
you
I did
moved
apply the
other one.
canvas.
Okay.
That one I definitely did. Ammo. Sweet. Didn't get screwed. Ah! My button was up there, evidently. Yeah, well, now I don't know. It could have been a bug. Don't know. Wasn't a bug, yay. But there were two collision bugs.
ones.
Just shoot the center and make a run for it. Go, you're free.
I'm free! Finally. To Phil's level. Sweet.
That they don't jump at you anymore.
That
Why
is
is-
fascinating.
that is fascinating.
That's so cool. Alright, so they don't jump out at me anymore. That's awesome. Oh, I ran out of ammo.
Oh,
Let's get some
apparently
ammo.
the door isn't big enough for them to fit through.
Good, that was ammo. Should I
at
take
that.
the chance? Should I take the chance that this might be
Yes.
ammo?
Yes, you should.
Oh, it was ammo.
Full
So look,
ammo.
they can't get through that door because it's slightly too small. That's funny.
Oh, because it is slightly too small. Oh, God, I died.
He still killed you.
Yep, so neither of those are bugs, so I'm going to grab health, and I'm going to grab ammo. And I forgot to switch weapons.
That's a shame. There's more ammo
I'm
and
keeping
health.
that because it reminds me of, like, when there was, like, a bug in a control scheme or a design bug, and someone's like, no, that's how it's supposed to be, and, like, you're just so angry at the person
Wait, which
Oh,
part?
whoa.
for the fact that when you collect ammo, when you have the wrong gun, it just wastes the ammo.
Oh.
I kind of like it, but I also kind of don't like it, but I like it because I hate it. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I need to fix that thing.
Oh. All right.
That guy is
You
on
guys
top of the
bugged?
world. Look at him.
He is.
Yeah, I need to make those hallways bigger. Apparently, I made the hallway too narrow. I made it a little dead-end hallway. There were 4 enemy AI bugs there. Fantastic.
Okay, that's that bug I know. This is our credit screen. We haven't cleaned this on up yet, and so the player just falls forever on
To
when we
their
get to it.
death, yeah.
But you can skip through and stuff. We've got. I forgot to. We haven't even shown the full process here. We've got. Let me save what we've got and check this in because there was a lot of changes that I did. Well, not a lot, but they were big changes. No, I guess I had already checked in most of them. Fixes. All right. Things are coming along quite nice.
Everything's coming up Millhouse.
Everything's coming up Millhouse. Excellent. So we got 10 more minutes. What do we want to wrap up this episode with in 10 minutes? I'm gonna
1 second.
go ahead and just make one more playthrough, and I'm gonna actually pretend that I'm really playing the game, and I'm going to. Okay, I didn't apply that to the power-ups. That's the reason they weren't as dangerous as I thought they were going to be. So these guys have a 0.1 chance. That's probably good. Power-ups have a 0.25 chance. Let's make it 0.25. And let's take it for a test drive and see what I can do. All right, we're going for the high score. So let's see if this thing's working. It's working. Good. That guy looks like he's cool, so I'm going to kill him. And let's look for collision bugs. Oh, there's one. There's another.
That's it.
That's it. Go through the level. Collision bugs found. 2 of 2. Sweet! No badly marked bugs. Alright, so now we're on the second level. I'm going to check the walls. Looking good so far. Most of these guys seem to like me, so. That guy in the corner there looks like a bug, though.
There's a couple guys over there sharing that corner.
Bug and bug. And let's check for collision stuff. I like that we made it so that you can mark them and then kill them, actually, so.
Yeah, I think that's good. Do they just freeze when they're marked? No, they keep doing what they're doing.
Running, yeah.
Amy bugs found. 2 of 2.
Nice.
And there were no collision bugs. That's wild. Alright, so we're going to get some ammo. Good. We're going to get some health. This is going to be risky. Oh, we're good. Those aren't bugged.
No, they made it through the hallway this time. I widened the hallway doors just a moment ago on the
Good.
prefabs.
They might have made it through because maybe one of the walls is not working. So
Oh, that's possible, huh?
These two are okay. Oh, wait, no.
Oh, wow, that one's not working at all.
There we go. Is this one working? That one seems to be working. Oh,
That one's
one's
not.
not.
That's how they got in.
Yep.
Otherwise, they wouldn't have been able to get into the hallway.
Alright, so I'm going to collect some health. Good. I'm going to collect some ammo.
You have...
Good.
Good.
You still had like 100 ammo you could have fired off before collecting.
Yeah, I could have. But where would I fired it into?
Cactus Men.
I guess that's true. That guy looks bugged. I'm going to bug him and kill him. Alright.
I'm all trying to power game. No, you should have used that 100 ammo.
You wasted bullets! Those are valuable! I don't know how I would ever check that. Okay,
That wall?
Actually, I know how I'm going to check that wall. I'm going to go through one of my other walls.
To check that wall?
No, wait, I can't because I think the floor...
No,
maybe,
it'll
maybe
be
it
big
will.
enough.
Maybe
Believe
it
me,
will.
it will be big
The
enough.
ceiling's not big enough.
I know, I just fixed that.
Okay, good.
So the only way to check this wall is to...
No,
check
I
it
mean,
from
not
the
the
outside.
only, maybe.
Maybe. Yeah.
It's good anyway.
Okay, it looks good.
You should have just
This
trusted.
is real testing here. This is the real world, like because KV would just come in
and just
roll until they
against
get into that
everything.
thing and just get through it.
KV.
Yeah.
That son of a B. Not
All
as
right.
much as BC though. That
Missing
was-
collision on that wall wouldn't really be a bug.
Oh, I
though.
missed a
You
collision
missed
bug!
one.
Not a perfect score. That game's awesome. I like this game.
Yeah.
I like this game a lot. I'm gonna get your check-ins. So
let me go check it in.
Oh well, then you go check it in.
Did you set up the penalties to be cumulative
What did I change on the
between
power
walls and enemies and power-ups and stuff?
Why did this power up change the?
Well, you
box
changed.
collider?
You changed certain things on it. You changed like some properties, like
You changed the percentage.
the
chance of it
percentage
occurring.
chances.
Yes, I know that's what I changed, but that's not what I'm concerned about. I'm concerned about the fact that there's a missing box collider here.
We'll look and see if it moved it somewhere else.
This is
That's the whole
all
thing.
of it. This is the whole thing. Power up. As a box collider, we get prefabs. Power up. Has a box collider. Well, maybe maybe this is not anything to worry about. It does worry me, though.
There's a person that said, what if they got all hyper aggressive after you mark them? That's actually a good idea.
Oh, there was. I guess I never applied that to the prefab. What was that?
What if the enemies got hyper aggressive when you marked them?
Oh.
Like their speed just shot up, right?
And they
like,
run faster? Or
faster in either direction. So if you accidentally mark them, then they run like right at you. They're pissed.
There's a bug with a bug marker. That, I can see putting that on the screen.
That's kind of cool.
Now let's. So what is this? We're gonna say power up modifications. Commit. We didn't have a single power up bug on the last one, so this commit's gonna fail. Push fails because we don't have the latest. So you need to retry your push. So we're gonna pull first
and merge,
and it'll auto merge, and then we push our merges, and we're ready to rock. So what did you do? We got bug fixes LOL. All right, so let's see how test 3 looks like.
I put LOL because it was funny.
It is funny
that I added more enemies.
Oh, good, because we needed more of those.
Yeah.
All right. Oh no! Kill me now. All right, so this is a bug. No, I did mess something up with that collider.
Yeah.
Something messed up. All right, so what has happened to our power-up? It has a box collider. Does it have the script? Ammo health bug? Yeah, it does. Okay. Oh, it's working now. Was I not clicking hard? What happened there?
Maybe the box isn't the full size of the power-up.
I don't know.
Or maybe you were hitting
Maybe
the wrong tag marker.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know what I was doing. I'm going to assume that was user error.
Well, try marking one of those other ones. They work. Huh. They killed you.
Okay, I got a question. So if I go to these power-ups, what's the... It's 25% chance of bug, and it just hasn't been happening very much at all. There's 4 of them in this level. There's not a certainty that there will be.
Well, there's 4 in the level, and one of them was bugged.
How many will power up? Okay, there is one bug this time. Last time there was 0 bugged, so not
no,
that.
Last time you ran into that and lost
No,
250 ammo.
no.
See, like they actually go through the hallway now. It's kind of nice. I wanted to just...
The time before last I did. That's broken. Yay, okay, so that one's broken. So I'm going to kill myself. Maybe it has something to do with dying. So, no, I could still do that. Is it still broken? Oh, yeah, that's right. We made those just not collect after you bug them. So...
Yeah, look, they actually fit through the...
Oh, no.
Oh, they're mean. These cactus men are mean.
Oh, I wasted it.
Yeah, and there are a lot of them, too. That guy's bugged.
No, these are safe, so I'm going to get some health. I'm going to actually get some ammo this time. Bounce on some walls.
There are a lot of them.
There are a whole lot of them.
Oh, that cactus man, they'll
He
get
did some
you,
damage, yeah,
don't
he
they?
did some real damage.
So now the...
I would imagine these
all
walls
the
are probably
walls.
okay because those guys seemed pretty well contained.
There's that one wall, though, that you just don't know about. It's probably bugged.
The one that's hard to get to.
Yeah.
That one can't be
There
a
we go.
bug because you can't get to it through normal gameplay. So for it to not
Still a
have
bug.
collision would actually be better than.
And
to
that's
have
why
collision on
we
it.
didn't like KV.
Actually, it doesn't collide with the collision, so I guess if you... No, there's no way, really.
Alright.
It seems like checking this from the outside is the way to do it. if you can get out of the
Yeah,
level.
yeah, it's nice. Oh,
Oh, look at that, right next to it.
alright,
That's
I
it?
think we did it.
Missed
Missed
two
two enemy
and a
AI
collision
bugs
bug.
and a collision bug. That's probably there. Probably is an enemy that like found a wall that was uncollidable and killed themselves. Just like ran.
Oh, that's
So,
possible,
like,
yeah.
yeah.
So maybe we should put colliders around the bounds of the
You know, that's not a bad idea.
For
floor
enemies?
on the
That's-
outside.
Yeah.
So that
Specifically
enemies
for
will
enemies.
get to the end and not walk off.
Yeah, I'll take that one. Well, I have 12% power. I'm gonna need some power juice once we
Alright.
finish this episode.
All right. Well, I'd say we're done. So, do you have any more check-ins
No,
or anything?
no,
I
nothing.
don't think I have anything changed.
No,
Let
I
me still
didn't.
check.
I didn't make much,
Or
but
does the character collider allow you to give it an object to act as the floor? To make sure that you can't leave that area?
Wait, what?
Does the character controller have a field where you can pass in something that acts as the ground or terrain or something, so it automatically keeps you in those boundaries?
I don't think there is a way to do that. I think
oh, that's
it was-
a really good idea. Actually, this absolutely almost person had a great idea. It'd be cool. It would be so cool if you made the player enter their name at the start of the game, and when they finish it, the credits play. It displays their name under QA.
That would be awesome.
That is a
great
We're doing it.
fantastic
We're doing
idea.
it. We're
Yeah,
doing
we
that.
need to do that.
We're doing that. Yeah. Please enter your name.
Screen.lock_cursor or screen.show_cursor equals false. To disable seeing the cursor.
Yeah.
when you're
We'll
in
we'll lock the cursor every frame once for the final build.
Okay.
All right. We're gonna call that good. I need to do the outro thing.
And we're all committed?
Hello. I mean, goodbye. I mean, we're still here, so we'll see you in a
There's
few
another
minutes. There's
episode?
another episode happening in 30
In, like,
minutes.
30 minutes.
And
30
yeah.
minutes.
30 minutes.
PushyPixels at PushyPixels.com, at MapGleamer, at Dragfire,
Robot
Patreon.
Alone.
Donate to the
Robot
Patreon.
Alone,
Donate to the
Patreon.com/Cooking with Unity.
Do the
See you
monkey.
guys. Do the monkey.
Everybody do the monkey with me. Dang,
Oh,
I'm
Jeffrey.
pretty.
Okay.
Dang, I'm pretty.
All right. So we're done. So I'm just going to. I'm not going to hit stop streaming, so we have a few minutes of just like a minute of banter. So
Okay.
I think that's that tested. Yeah, we're doing that because that's
That's
awesome.
a great idea.
We need to put the credits in anyway. So next episode we're going to be doing a lot of sound. Like that's going to be, I think, the focus.
Yeah.
Because I think what we basically have is a game at this point, and so
Cactus
we should
Man's
do.
coming.
We
We only
should
have
we should
3
contain the
levels.
Cactus Men. We should do sounds, and we should do the credits stuff. So
And
Can I
surprise.
get your power? Can I?
yes,
can
you
I
can have my power. I'm going to go ahead and stop streaming now.
We need to bring the surprise.